3, 2, 1. We have ignition.
Welcome to Tech Pros. Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of technology? Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or a curious newbie, our channel is here to inspire, educate, and entertain you with the latest tech trends, reviews, tips, and hacks. In this video, get a sneak peek of what we have in store for you: cutting-edge gadgets, in-depth tutorials, and exciting tech news. What to expect in this channel? Expect videos on Gadget Reviews, honest and detailed reviews of the latest smartphones, laptops, wearables, and more. Tech tips and tricks. Discover useful tips and hacks to make the most of your devices. How-to guides. Step-by-step tutorials for everything from setting up new devices to troubleshooting common issues. Tech news. Stay updated with the latest happenings in the tech world. Future tech. Insights into emerging technologies like AI, VR, and IoT. Welcome to the accelerating pace of innovation. Hop in our boat and join us in our journey of technology exploration. Technology is moving faster than ever. New ideas emerge daily. Breakthroughs happen constantly. This rapid progress is exciting, yet it's also a bit overwhelming. We live in a time of unprecedented technological innovation. The digital revolution, which began in the late 20th century, continues to accelerate, reshaping our world at an astonishing pace. The internet, once a novelty, is now integral to our lives. Smartphones have become extensions of ourselves. We are constantly connected, sharing information and consuming content. This digital interconnectedness has fueled innovation in countless fields. From artificial intelligence to biotechnology, new technologies are emerging at a dizzying rate. These technologies are not just changing the way we live, work, and interact with the world, they are also creating new possibilities for the future. This rapid pace of innovation presents both opportunities and challenges. We must learn to adapt to this ever-changing landscape. We must embrace new technologies and harness their potential, but we must also be mindful of their implications. We must ensure that these technologies are used responsibly and ethically. The future is full of possibilities, but it's up to us to shape it wisely. The key to navigating this technological revolution is understanding the forces driving it. It's about recognizing the potential of these new technologies while also being aware of their limitations. We'll explore some of the most exciting tech innovations. We'll delve into their features, potential impact, and the possibilities they hold for the future. Virtual reality, a leap into new dimensions. Virtual reality, or VR, has long been a staple of science fiction. Now, it's becoming a reality. VR immerses users in a simulated environment. It uses headsets and motion tracking to create interactive experiences. Imagine exploring ancient ruins from your living room, or attending a live concert without leaving your house. VR makes these experiences possible. The potential applications of VR are vast. In education, VR can transport students to historical events or distant planets. In healthcare, it can help surgeons practice complex procedures. In gaming, VR provides immersive experiences that blur the line between the virtual and real. The technology is still evolving, but its impact is already being felt across various sectors. VR's immersive nature opens up exciting possibilities for entertainment, education, and training. Imagine learning history by virtually walking through historical events, or training for a new job in a simulated environment that replicates real-world scenarios. The possibilities are truly endless. VR has the potential to revolutionize the way we learn, work, and play. Artificial intelligence, reshaping our world. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming our world in profound ways. AI systems can learn from data, make decisions, and perform tasks that once required human intelligence. From self-driving cars to medical diagnosis, AI is already making its mark. AI is no longer a futuristic concept, it's here, and it's changing the way we live and work. AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data is revolutionizing various fields. In healthcare, AI can help diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. In finance, it can detect fraud and optimize investments. In transportation, self-driving cars powered by AI are becoming a reality. These are just a few examples of how AI is reshaping our world. The potential of AI is vast, but so are the ethical considerations. As AI systems become more sophisticated, we must ensure they are used responsibly. We need to address concerns about job displacement and algorithmic bias. The development and deployment of AI must be guided by ethical principles to ensure a positive impact on society. Smart technology is all around us. From smartphones to smart homes, these devices are connected to the internet and can communicate with each other. Smart tech is making our lives more convenient, efficient, and enjoyable. Smart homes can adjust lighting and temperature based on our preferences. Smartwatches can track our fitness and sleep patterns. These devices are becoming increasingly sophisticated and integrated into our daily lives. The rise of smart tech is driven by the increasing availability of affordable sensors and connectivity. These devices collect data about our environment and our behavior, which can be used to personalize our experiences and improve our lives. Smart tech can help us save energy, stay healthy, and manage our time more effectively. The potential of smart tech extends beyond individual convenience. Smart cities powered by interconnected sensors and data analytics can optimize traffic flow, improve public safety, and enhance the quality of life for residents. As smart tech continues to evolve, it will play an increasingly important role in shaping our future. The future is now embracing technological advancements. The future of technology is full of possibilities. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible, we can expect to see even more transformative technologies emerge. These technologies will reshape our world in ways we can only imagine. We are on the cusp of a new era of technological advancement. The innovations we've discussed are just the beginning. The rapid pace of innovation can be daunting, but it's also incredibly exciting. We have the opportunity to witness and participate in this technological revolution. By embracing these new technologies and harnessing their potential, we can shape a brighter future for ourselves and generations to come. The key is to stay informed, be open to new ideas, and adapt to the ever-changing technological landscape. The future is not something that happens to us, it's something we create. By embracing technological advancements and using them responsibly, we can build a future that is more sustainable, equitable, and prosperous for all. Adapting and thriving in the tech-driven future. The rapid pace of technological change requires us to be adaptable and embrace lifelong learning. The skills that are valuable today may become obsolete tomorrow. We must be willing to learn new skills, adapt to new technologies, and embrace change. The future belongs to those who are adaptable, curious, and eager to learn. Education and training play a crucial role in preparing individuals for the tech-driven future. We need to equip people with the skills and knowledge they need to thrive in a world where technology is constantly evolving. This includes fostering critical thinking, problem-solving, and digital literacy skills. It also means encouraging creativity and innovation. The future is full of opportunities, but it's up to us to seize them. By embracing lifelong learning, fostering a culture of innovation, and using technology responsibly, we can adapt and thrive in the tech-driven future. The journey ahead is exciting and full of possibilities. Let's embrace it together. Subscribe now and become a tech pro with us.